Hi everyone, we are going to fold this ribbon. Here we are going to take this lollipop for perfect measurement. So cut it like we're doing here and make small strips of this ribbon. Now using lighter, we are going to fold it from both its ends. You can also use a glue gun in place of this. After this, we're going to paste all the petals in a straight line and start rolling it around this stick like we're doing here. Roll it and look, your beautiful flower is ready. For more decoration, you can also dab it on this beautiful sparkle using the glue and look, it's ready. Let's make these beautiful bouquets. We're going to crumple this white paper, open it, and you will get this beautiful texture. It will help you for wrapping. Now we are going to wrap this beautiful rose flower like this. Now take this black paper and we are going to combine all of them together. Tie a knot at the center, hold it like this. Now adjust it like we are doing here. From the front side, we are also covering it similar way. Hold it at the center and we are going to tie a knot. You can also cut the extra part of the paper using scissors and pin it at the center. Tie a knot like we're doing here and look at this beautiful rose flower bouquet, and they are looking very pretty. You can gift it to your friends and loved ones. We're going to make this beautiful rose bouquet. So put this rose flower on this black paper. Now start folding it from its bottom and side portion like it and make a cone shape. After this, we're going to paste it using hot glue gun. For more decoration, you can also put beautiful pins and bow at the top and bottom, and look, your beautiful rose bouquet is ready. In this video, we're going to learn how you can make a perfect bow at home. These are very useful for gifting purpose and for packaging as well. Here we are going to take this red color of ribbon. So hold it on your 3 fingers like this. Now we are going to tie a knot like this. After this, remove your fingers gently and you will get this beautiful bow design. Now we are going to open it from both its ends. So pull both the loops like this and it's done. After this, we are going to take a scissor. Here we are also going to cut both of them evenly. So we are going to fold it and take a scissor and make a V cut like this, and look, it's ready. Let's wrap this beautiful rose flower at home and make a beautiful bouquet out of it. Here we're going to use this black color of paper. You can use whatever paper is available at your home. Here we're going to wrap more like this. So hold the rose at the center and we are going to add more layers of the paper one after another and put it around the rose like this. You have to crumple the paper once you hold it the rose like this and cover it like we're doing here. Now add more layers like this. You don't need to add more flowers, still the bouquet will look very beautiful. Finally, we are going to make multiple folds and put it on the top and bottom like this, and look, it's ready. Finally, tie a bow using this red ribbon and your bouquet is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.